Can you spot what is wrong with this gaming setup? 3, 2, 1. Did you spot it? There's no gaming PC. You know what that means. Let's build a brand new gaming PC. Okay, so this PC turned out way better than I expected it to be when it comes to performance. This one has an RTX 4080 compared to my RTX 4090 PC, and this one is outperforming the 4090 somehow. Maybe since it's a fresh install of Windows and a fresh install of the game, I'm getting more FPS, but the fact that I'm able to get around 350 FPS in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 is ridiculous. I was playing right here on medium settings, and to test it to the fully, I even got a brand new monitor that supports 360 Hz to see if I can see a difference. Combining the really high-end PC with a really nice monitor just gave me an incredible gaming experience, zero stuttering. As many of you who might think that having a screen on the fan is ridiculous, after actually building with those fans and using them, I kind of really like them. I think they're very useful, especially if you use them to show stats of your components as you're gaming or stress testing. I really like that. I put my CPU and GPU temperature out there, and while I'm gaming, the temps stayed between 60 to 70 degrees, which means the airflow is really good in this case, as I expected. Now, even when I switched to Fortnite, I was hitting 400 to 500 FPS on medium settings, which is incredible. The gameplay was super smooth. Fortnite is usually one of those games, even if it's a high-end gaming PC, sometimes it does stutter the first few times you play it. In this scenario, it did not at all. And as I'm doing this voiceover, I've really enjoyed using this new PC. I love it. It's able to support 4K and 1440p high-end gaming. I feel like the 4080 or /480 Super is the perfect GPU to buy right now, especially if you can fight for MSRP at $999. The 4090 is overkill. Speaking from experience, I have a 4090, I have a 4080. The difference in amount of dollars is not worth buying 4090 in my opinion. That is just my own 2 cents on that. So if you're looking for a PC build, this is a great combination. You can go with a 14900K or 14700K, and I think you'd be really happy to pair it with a 4080. I highly recommend getting a good power supply to support both CPU and GPU. You don't have to worry about it breaking. But overall, the PC build turned out really clean. I love the aesthetic. The only thing I will be changing here soon is I would love to either paint this GPU white or buy a brand new GPU that is white and replace the black. That way the aesthetic is fully one color and it's not mixed. But I still think it turned out really clean, and I love the final design. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, I truly appreciate it if you'd leave a like and maybe subscribe for more PC and gaming content. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.